subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Sony has launched its new affordable 5G phone in Japan called Sony Xperia Ace Mark III. Talking about the specifications, the Sony Xperia Ace Mark III features a small 5.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Xperia Ace Mark III supports a single 13MP camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and at the front, it has 5MP selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery, and it runs on latest Android 12 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 140 by 69 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 162 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Sony Xperia Ace Mark III has been priced in Japan at 34,408 Japanese yen. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from mid-June this year in black, blue, and brick orange color options. So what do you guys think of this Xperia Ace Mark III smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.